Hello and welcome to my channel, The Optimistic Gardener. My name is Steve Farley. It's good to be an optimist as a gardener. Every year we start the season with maybe a few handfuls of seeds, some cuttings and maybe some small plants, with big dreams that they're going to turn into a beautiful flower or some big fat juicy fruit and veg. Sometimes that optimism is spot on and that tiny seed grows into a beautiful big melt in the mouth corn on the cob, or a stunning display of Rudbeckia Black-Eyed Susan in the late summer. But sometimes it's misplaced and those dreams turn into an insect infested plant nightmare. But you can't keep an optimistic gardener down. So please join me in my Nova Scotia garden on my journey through the gardening year. I hope to inspire you with growing tips, ideas, projects both large and small, but most of all to join me in the thrill of being an optimistic gardener.